So there is the move that earned Haiden Deegan, well, a lot of hate and also the championship. And I'm going to say this right away. Yes, I like Deegan. Yes, I think he brings a nice edge to this sport. And I don't think that was a penalty pass. And you can be mad because it was his teammate and whatever. He closed like a 4 second gap. And yes, there's lappers. That's what you're going to have to deal with as the leader. As the leader, you have to know there are lappers. There is a guy behind you who is racing for the championship, technically against you. So at some point, you have to ride more defensive. I don't think this is a horrible pass. I don't think this is the roughest pass in the world. I don't think, it was Barsha or the Bogle pass from years ago. And right after this race, there's the 2017 one rolling around from Osborne taking somebody out for his title. And you gotta say, this is not the worst thing in the world. Yes, is it aggressive? Is it necessary? Probably not. If you gained that much time in 4 or 5 laps, whatever it wasn't a very long time. If you've gained that much ground, you probably could have made that pass without any contact and in the next lap and been fine with it. But this is one for a championship. 2, it's the end of the race. So let's say he doesn't make this pass, it goes to the next round and it's an east-west shootout. Somebody takes him out and he loses the title. It could possibly happen. Obviously, all these are hypotheticals. They are ifs, ands, or buts. It doesn't really matter now. It has been concluded. The AMA said, fine, whatever. I don't think this is bad. Like, my personal opinion, he didn't T-bone him. He didn't chop a front wheel. He didn't, come back from 30 feet behind and then just completely clean him out. This is, side to side. Yes. Is it aggressive? Again, yes. Is it rough? Sure. But this isn't a non-contact sport. This isn't soccer. This isn't, something where if you touch somebody, you get a penalty. Ooh, it's scary. These kind of passes happen, especially for championships. I mean, you got to think this is a lot of money won on the line. You got bonuses for the win. You've got bonuses for the championship. People remember titles. They don't remember wins or individual races. Are people going to remember, what happened on, the second to last lap to win his first title? Maybe. If you're really into the sport, you might remember that. I'm not one of those people, and most people aren't also. They're not going to remember who he slightly touched to take the win for his first 250 title. They're going to remember, he got a 250 title in 2025. That was his first title. Who knows if he gets more, and whatever. That's kind of irrelevant at the moment. He is the champion, and this is the kind of, thing you get. And you can say yes. Is it cocky? Sure. It was his post-race interview cocky? Definitely. We're not gonna sugarcoat that. That was stupid and whatever. But when you're getting booed on stage and you've been booed every single round and the amount of hate he gets, you probably at some point gets to you and whatever. It doesn't hurt anything either way, I don't think. But I think this is fine. People are mad because it's his teammate, and you want to win. You want to beat your teammates more than anybody else because that proves you are the best person on that team. And next year they're going to be on the same team. In the 250 class, who knows if they're racing the same coast next year? But you have to prove that you are the best guy on your team at any time. It's just the way this is. These contracts are short. These careers are short. You have to be the number one all the time. And with Davies coming up and getting multiple wins this year, he proved that he's a competitor, a competition to Deegan. So at some point you have to say, hey, I'm going to show I'm the best, and I'm not going to treat you light just because you're my teammate. Take it or leave it. I don't think it was bad. I know he's going to get a ton of hate because his last name, and he gets hate no matter what he does. But whatever. Comment down below. You guys tell me. What do you think of it? What do you think of the post-race interview? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.